Hello, grade 10. This is Mr. New Love. This one is a guide to your assignments, okay? Um, if you have a question like this, you have this statement, bank statement, and you are asked question on it. So, for instance, you have this question: what's the difference between debit and credit in the statement? What's the difference between debit and credit in the statement? Let me chip in this. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Yeah, so that you get more video of this. Now, the first question concerning debits. Anytime you have minus in front of the value or in front of a number is a debit. Is that okay? So if you check this one, it has minus, so it's a debit. It has minus, it's a debit. It has minus, it's a debit. So debit always has minus in front of the value. Then what about a credit? Credit doesn't have any value in front. So like this ones, these are the credits. Deposit is a credit, salary is a credit, payments made by Mr. Ngwenya, a different person, into the account of Mr. Nkosi. This is the account of this is the statement of Mr. Nkosi. So this is credit. It doesn't have minus. So if you see minus, it's debit. If you don't see minus, it's what? Credit. So let's take note of this. Okay. Then the question says, indicate Mr. Nkosi's credit and debit. Now let's look at the one for credit. If you check the credit, we have deposit. So deposit is a credit. If you check again, we have salary. Salary is also credit. Then payment from another person. The name of the person who deposited the money into Mr. Nkosi's account is called Mr. Ngwenya. Alright, so payment from Mr. Ngwenya. So these are all credits. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Let's look at debit. Debit, we said the one that has minus. So debit, car insurance is debit. Which one again? Electronic transfer, that is bond payment is also debit. Then debit order from Jet is also debit. It has minus. Maybe you have an account with Jet and every month they deduct or they take money from your account. They take 800. It's a debit. So it comes with minus. Okay. Then let's look at this question. Mr. Nkosi deposited 10,000. Look at the balance and work out what he had in his account before the deposit. Okay, now if you check the deposit, he deposited 10,000, but his balance is 10,500. So it means there is something in the balance before he made a deposit. Okay, how do you calculate that one? Is what you have in the balance, which is 10,500 minus the amount he deposited, which is 10,000. Alright, so we are going to have what? 500 rand. Okay, now let's look at the next one. It says Mr. Nkosi received money from someone as a gift. Identify this transaction as a gift. So if you check this, which one is not coming from Mr. Nkosi? This one. This is from somebody else. Alright, Mr. Ngwenya. So payment from Mr. Ngwenya is the money that was given to Mr. Nkosi as a gift. Okay. Then how much money would have been left with if he had not received the gift? How much money will have remained in the account if he had not received the money? Okay, so it means we have to subtract the money Mr. Ngwenya paid, deposited, from the total. Because if he had not received this money, this gift, this one will reduce. So it's 22,800 minus the 1,000 that he deposited. And it's going to give us 21,800. Okay. Mr. Nkosi wants to save 18% of her remaining money this month. How much can he save? So you want to save 18%. To save 18%, 18% is the same as 18 over 100. So you multiply it by the total here. What is our total? Total is 22,800. Multiply by 18%. 18% is the same as 0,18. Let's press 18% on our calculator. 18% is 18 divided by 100. It gives us this, which is the same as 0,18. Alright. So if I multiply this 22 times 22,800 by 0,18, I'm going to get this money. Okay. Okay. I think we are done. I will make another video, short video for you with regard to another financial statement. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.